अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूवर्स। आज हम इस्लामियात 202 का क्विज नंबर 4 सॉल्व करेंगे। एमसीक्यू नंबर 1, हाउ मेनी पीपल डिपार्टेड फ्रॉम द मुस्लिम आर्मी बिफोर द बैटल ऑफ उहद? 300. Which of the following companions of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was martyred in the battle of Uhud? Hazrat Musab raziyallahu ta'ala anha. Who delivered the marriage sermon of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's marriage? उनके अपने चचा हजरत अबू तालिब ने. In which field of knowledge was Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा an expert? Genealogy. और वो अरब हिस्ट्री में भी एक्सपर्ट थे, तो अगर ऑप्शन में वो आ जाए तो वो भी करेक्ट है. Whom Habshi martyred in the battle of Uhud? Hazrat Hamza रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा. Who was the owner of site of Badr? Badr bin Amir. To which city did Hazrat Khadija radiallahu ta'ala anha ask the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to make a business trip? Syria. Who were designated in Ifta department during Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anha's caliphate? Qazis. What is the literal meaning of दुरूस? दुरूस दर्स से निकला है जिसके मानी लेसन के हैं. Who was the first to establish inns for travelers between Makkah and Medina? जो लोग सफ़र करते हैं वो जहाँ ठहरते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं इंस, होटल्स की तरह. तो ये किसने बनाए थे? हज़रत उस्मान रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा. What was the relationship between Hazrat Hamza रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा and Hazrat Muhammad सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम? अंकल नेफ्यू, चचा भतीजे का रिश्ता था. How did Hazrat Umar Farooq रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा contribute to the compilation of Holy Quran? He gave advice for it. In the time of which Khalifa was the irrigation system established? Hazrat Umar Razillahu Ta'ala anha. The Dash companions of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam received martyrdom in the Battle of Uhud. 70. How were decisions made in accordance with Islamic law at Khulfa Rashida after discussion with Majlis Shura? How old was Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam when the first revelation came to him? He was 40 years old. Who served as the nursemaid of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Ayman. The proposal to dig a trench at the time of Battle of Ahzab was presented by Hazrat Salman radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. How much silver did Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Rauf donate in Ghazwa Tabuk? 29 kgs. Which of the following commanding was revealed in accordance with the opinion of Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu ta'ala anha? Permission to have marital relations with wives in Ramzan night. While making the journey from Taif to Makkah, the Holy Prophet ﷺ met a group of jinns. On what day the Holy Prophet ﷺ delivered the farewell sermon? 9th day of Zilhajj. What is the literal meaning of Ibr? Advice. About whose acceptance of Islam Hazrat Jibreel alayhi told the Holy Prophet ﷺ that the people of Jannah are the happiest today? Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anha. Near whom is Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anha buried? Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. How were non-Muslims' rights addressed in Khilafah Rashida? Equal civil and human rights with Muslims. Who among the companions made the declaration of migration from Makkah to Medina? Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anha. What term is used to describe the attributes of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Shumail-e-Nabawi. To which tribe did Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anha belong? Bani Taim. What was distance of Taif from Makkah? 60 kilometers. At the birth of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what unusual incident took place? 14 balconies fell down. Who assumed the command of Muslim army after the martyrdom of the first three commanders in the Battle of Muta? Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiallahu ta'ala anha. Who wrote down the Treaty of Hudaybiyah? Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anha. When was the period of Khilafah Rashida finished? 40 Hijri. Who led the Muslims during their first Hajj? Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anha. What is meant by the term Rushd? Guidance. How many horsemen were with Khalid bin Walid to block the way of Muslims at the time of Hudaybiyah? 200. Which of the following command was sent in accordance with the opinion of Hazrat Umar Razillahu Ta'ala anha? To take permission before entering houses. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Razillahu Ta'ala anha was an expert in which discipline of knowledge? Arab history. Among the women, who was the first to embrace the faith? हजरत खतीजा रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हा. और बच्चों में सबसे पहले किसने इस्लाम कबूल किया था? हजरत अली रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हा. Right before the prophethood, what did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was experiencing? The occurrence of true dreams. What was Hilful Fuzul? A contract to help weak. During whose caliphate the Hijri calendar was started? Hazrat Umar Farooq Razi Allahu Ta'ala anha. Who was the owner of site of Badr? Badr bin Amir. During which event did the Prophet ﷺ extend the invitation of Muslim to the people of the occasion of Hajj? The Muslims have dashed swords in the battle of Badr. 9. How much wealth did Hazrat Usman Razillahu Ta'ala donate in Ghazwa Tabuk? 900 camels, 1000 horses and a lot of money. Who defined Seerah as the name for defining the life conditions, morality and practices of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Professor Usman Khalid Yursh. What is the reason behind scholars' belief in the significance of establishing the Khilafah based on Quranic rules? How many people participated in the farewell sermon? 1,24,000. Which of the following military expeditions did not occur during the Caliphate's era of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Razillahu Ta'ala anha? Conquest of Egypt. In the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam infancy, besides Halima Sadia, who else took care of him? Shima. What religion did Adas have before accepting Islam? Christianity. What is the literal meaning of term Khilafat? Vicegerent. In Khilafah Rashida, what was the Shura system? Decisions were made through discussion. What was the actual name of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Razillahu Ta'ala anha? Abdullah. The initial number of participants for the Battle of Uhud in the Muslim army was 1000. Which system was established to take decision for important matters during Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Razillahu Ta'ala anha? Shura system. In which of the following year the social boycott of polytheists of Makkah against the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam started? 7th year of prophethood. The name Muhammad is derived from the root word Hamd. The document of social boycott of Quraysh with the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was consumed by termites. Nazar bin Haris brought storybooks from Dash to claim that the message of Quran is like रोम से लिए थे. How many Romans participated in the Battle of Muta? 2 lakh. Where did the companions gather to select the first caliph after the demise of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Saqifa Bani Saida. Which of the following was the result of negotiation of Quraysh with Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Makkah? The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam partially accepted the disbelievers' terms. How many days did the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his mother Hazrat Amna radhiyallahu ta'ala anha spend at Darul Nab? About a month. There were dash disbelievers from Quraysh who participated in the Battle of Ahzab. 4,000. About whom did the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam give the following statement? If Shaitan sees you walk a certain path, he will leave it and follow another path. Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. What are the books that contain the biographies of hadith narrators called? Asma ur Rijal. When was Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu ta'ala anha martyred? 24 Hijri. What is the sole path to receive divine guidance according to the Holy Quran? Obedience to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Who fixed the condition for his governors that they would not ride Turkish horse? Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. The pact of brotherhood was made at the house of Hazrat Anas radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. Whom Hazrat Ali radhiyallahu ta'ala anha killed in the Battle of Badr? Walid. During the Prophet's migration, who tried to capture the Holy Prophet ﷺ in the hope of claiming a reward? Suraka bin Malik. From what did Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq anha keep away himself from his before his acceptance of Islam? Alcoholism. Which one of the following was the major cause of Battle of Badr? Security of Abu Sufyan's caravan. How many days did the Holy Prophet ﷺ spend in Taif when he went there to preach? 10 days. When did Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq anha die? 13 Hijri. From whom did Hazrat Umar anha inspire to embrace Islam? His sister. According to Islamic traditions, what divine command was given to Hazrat Adam anha to build a house for Allah? How did Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq anha contribute at the time of Ghazwat Tabuk? He donated all of his wealth. In which of the following surahs of the Quran the details of the Battle of Uhud is given? Surah Al Imran. Which of the following was the first to fix the salaries of prayer leader of mosque? Hazrat Umar anha. To bargain with the Holy Prophet ﷺ, 25 people from Quraysh of Makkah met with Abu Talib. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that among the Ummahs who passed before you, there used to be Muhaddis, and if there is a Muhaddis in my Ummah, then he is Hazrat Umar anha. Where did the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to go in isolation before the revelation began? In the cave of Hira, Ghar Hira. According to Ibn Daghna, what characteristics did Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq anha possessed? Helping the needy and looking after the relatives. Who was the first to fix the salary of volunteer fighters? Hazrat Umar anha. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah from the Quraysh was finalized by Suhail bin Amr. Which of the following was the false claimant of prophethood? Musailma Kazzab. How much wealth did Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq anha give in the way of Allah in the Ghazwat Tabuk? All the household goods. Which slave of Utbah and Sheba served food to Holy Prophet ﷺ in the garden in Taif? Adas.